DJT stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Trump Media stock, Trump Media and Technology stock, sitting at $18.58, 3% gains. What I'm going to do is just come here and go to the daily or the weekly chart. And I mean, at least we're seeing some gains, you know, it's at least we're seeing something going up. And like the only case that I'm really going to start to do something here with DJT is going to be if I see a decent double break. It ultimately is still going to come back to that, to being that. If I see a full candle close above 25 bucks, only then that's going to be something that I'll continue and consider to take higher. You know, anything else other than that's going to be noise. Therefore, I would not be interested. So yeah, waiting, you know, sometimes it's a boring part. It's the waiting part, you know, which nobody wants to do. And I totally get it. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, check the first link in the description. Don't have to spend 4 years like I did. You can just check it out for free.